Alright, welcome to SouFLoTV again, everybody. It's your host with the most. So, let me start this video off by saying this. The same people them that say them police they are idiot when the police them call up alkaline, right? Me say the same people them I say that police are do them job when them call up Tommy Lee. Now, remember this. You see this music thing? This music thing is not meant to be a division thing, you understand? If we competitively say Gaza, Gully, Vendetta, or Patriots, or whatever you want to say, or say my team, that's fine. But when you see certain things are going, it's time to put certain things to the side and pay attention to real life and serious situations, because man life is being affected. Man life being affected in a major way. You hear me? Now, I don't know. This is what me want to know about Jamaica Police. The amount of time them on Tommy Lee case. Right? As soon as the youth get a little chance to start do something. Because remember, you know, Tommy Lee literally have been locked down. Blacklisted, if you will. Them tell him say him not perform nowhere. For what? For what? And they did that to him for years. Right? So the people them where I said Tommy Lee should have gone further in his career and all these things. We get it. But he's been sabotaged. He's an artist that got sabotaged. And we see the sabotage. You know what I'm saying? So this is what I want to know. Them say them police they work off of intelligence and that's why them go pick up Tommy Lee. Well, if our intelligence them work off of that intelligence that is dumb as hell. Or if they really have things, make we know. Let the public know. It's not like Tommy Lee is a Joe Schmo, regular Joe Schmo from around the corner. The youth is an international star, an entertainer, right? That have a huge fan base that spans way outside of Jamaica. So they will pick up the man, lock him up. Alright, I understand, say court don't happen or legal proceedings don't take place on Sunday, right? Monday come. They said he'll be questioned sometime this week. I never know so them can just pick you up so and then them say, we're holding you for questioning. Well, we'll question you when we feel like it. I'm pretty sure legally there is a time limit to which they can hold you, and if them hold you past that, them either have to charge you or let you go. I'm damn sure of that. So we'll see how this whole thing work out with Tommy Lee. But I'm willing to bet that there's no solid case against him again. And they'll let him go again. This thing plays on someone's mind psychologically. You know. Remember, you know, Tommy Lee just got finished performing at, me not gonna say Best of the Best because Best of the Best is coming up in Miami, but it's not Best of the Best. Magnum Kings and Queens. Is on his way from Magnum Kings and Queens performance, you know. That means that them a follow him, you know. And that means that them stake out and watch the performance and everything. On his way from Magnum Kings and Queens performance now, him go over ATM. Someone that was riding with him account of the story is they were suddenly surrounded by men in masks with guns drawn. Pointed to them and them say, a Tommy we come for. Now, if you want somebody in for questioning, you could easily call Tommy Lee. You can reach him in yard or call his attorney or however you want to do it. You know what I'm saying? The guns drawn and mask up. A Tommy we come for. For questioning? Really? Guns drawn, mask up and all that. That's like how you actually go for somebody that's armed and dangerous and wanted. Right? You don't go for your entertainer, a public figure, a well-known face like that. Come on, man. I don't know how y'all can't see it, but Tommy Lee get a serious fight. He's been getting a fight for a long time. Here's my advice to Tommy Lee. This is what I would say. And I'm going to tell you why. Go breeze out somewhere else. I understand. Remember the movie Shutters? I think Wayne did say, I did Wayne? I think Wayne did say, yo, me no want left Jamaica, you know, my thing I go on, yes sir, right now. So I'm saying in other words, then Jamaica, fame America. Everything him want, the right, that's a nice car, big house, pretty girls, multiple vehicles, push out anyone him feel like, right? It might be that kind of life for Tommy Lee in Jamaica where things might be nice, where you don't feel like leaving. But take Alkaline for an example. You see how Alkaline left Jamaica for a good 2 years, build up his stuff overseas, and then came back to Jamaica with enough self-confidence, a big fan base established, and highly in demand. Why? Because him never have to stay in Jamaica and be distracted by the crab in a barrel mentality and these whatever else sideline thing them have a go on. Extortion and whatever else is going on. So that thing they drop off again, so I'm just gonna hold it right there so I finish up the video. Alright, check it. People were saying that Tommy Lee, it has nothing to do with Vybz Kartel. It has everything to do with Vybz Kartel. You hear that? Here's why. How come Popcorn don't get a visa yet? The fly go to the USA yet? Him pretty much can't fly go everywhere else. Him can't enter the US. How come? Because he's associated closely with Vybz Kartel. Hence the reason for the separation and the extra effort to make it seem like, yo, me still heal him enough from a distance, but me and him not close like that. You know what I'm saying? They know it's a persecution thing. And how convenient that Vybz Kartel's hearing pretty much starts today. Not the trial itself, but some preliminary hearing to say go ahead or not, whatever. Starts today. And they have this Tommy Lee wrapped up at the same time when this is supposed to be. So, trying to create that myth that he's closely associated with criminals. Vybz Kartel, me I talk about it now. And one of them is Tommy Lee. You hear him say Gaza all the time, every which part him go and ray. Them say a Kartel son, a farmer son. The mathematics, people, it's all connected. Right when Kartel I get ready for say, yeah, do road. Them draw for this. And y'all can't see the connection. I'm gonna say some people are talk about SouFLo, I know you're intelligent, but stop talk foolishness. Tommy Lee involved in all kind of something. If him be involved in all kind of something, then would have locked him up already. They've been pressuring him for years now. So either you're telling me that Jamaica's police force and investigators and undercover this and that, law enforcement officials then, are so friggin' incompetent that they trail a man, investigate a man, inside out, upside down for years, and still can't come up with nothing? Joke economic, man. It's obvious what's going on here. Obvious what's going on here, so. Good luck to Tommy Lee, you know, and them demon, you know. Because him think he might be demon, but he might deal with some real demon. I'm going to go find him way out of this pit. Yeah? I was saying draw for Peter Champagne and one of them high-powered lawyer there. Let's see how it goes. Maybe Tommy Lee's lawyer carry weight. Yeah? But I seriously think this is an indirect stab at Vybz Kartel's whole situation that's about to start now. Alright? I'm going to leave in a comment in that comment section below. Do you think that This is their way of getting at Vybz Kartel or painting or creating a picture, whereas they can say, see, Kartel is associated with criminals. Tommy Lee is one of them. He's a big criminal. Like, because if they make Kartel look like that, you know. If they make Kartel look like he's ordering hits or carrying out hits or their own man will order hits and all these things. Let's not forget the story though about the producer, Doug and Mobile, that's how I said Tommy Lee. Him pay Tommy Lee some money to voice for him on a rhythm. Tommy Lee take the money, don't voice nothing all now. The man say must speak up because all you can do is send your bad man friend them come beat up man or come hurt me. But I don't care. That's what he said. So when they held Tommy Lee, they said it's in connection with something going on in Mobile. We don't know if it's that. We don't know if it's the scamming thing. We don't know what it is. Alright? So let's wait and see. And then we're going to talk about it some more. But leave your comment in the comment section below and tell me what you think this is. Does it have anything to do with Vybz Kartel? You think it have anything to do with scamming? Or people even go as far as to say, a MVP man, Mavado, Alkaline, and Jamil, MVP. And then pay off them police brethren for stall up the man thing. I don't know. I don't know what to believe. But when I talk to me, I'm at me here one officer saying, it's SouFLoTV, man. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I'm up out of here. Peace.